Yeah, how's your day? Yeah, today my evening walk, and always you can get time to do your exercise, time to do for your walk. It could be lunchtime, it could be break time. Always you can find time to do your exercise, to do your routine. I am here to inspire you. I am here to motivate you for our daily activities. Today I'm walking in Piedmont, and you can see background Barangaroo, beautiful city. Sydney is a city for walking. Walk is the best exercise. Walk for your health, walk for yourself, and walk alone for our mental and physical activities. We're still marketing one brand only, and one brand only is Adidas. Walk with Adidas. Guys, we start a year with goal to do it day by day and day at a time. And you will keep going. My friend, keep going, do your exercise, go for walk. See you.